Nitongwana a Gagash endle event ya birthday celebration yi fambe kahle a mi zangi mi nga vulavula hi swona. So loko swilo swi fambe kahle hakanyingi a hi vulavuli hi swona, mara in this case o ni hembela because I did speak about it and na mina nkarhi ni yima na hi ku swi fambe kahle, mara hi ku swilo swi nga swilo loko swilo swi vulavula hi swa kahle a swi fiki matihlweni ya vanhu. Na YouTube a yi swi rhukhumbeni ngopfu na swo a swi phushi njhe. Imagine u ta ni ta vulavula ni ku okay Gavaza ena mahahla like I mean, Mama. So, but we shouldn't blame each other. Must do research before we criticize. So, but anyway, it's fine. It's okay. We are here. I do provide extra lessons. If you want them, you will find the post on this video. Lokumla join Vakhandli still. Me want advert. Me I want advert and mga cell phone number mina. Elenga posted extra classes. Lomlati CIPC registration, company registrations, CIPC registrations, company registration. Okay, it's fine. And also, if you need assistance with the returns for both CIPC and e-filing, yeah, clients na minaga 0765661277. Yes. Today I want to speak about Gagash, Holobye Resort, and Kuthandla Kambiru kuyafika ka Kokwani Chauke ntonza kwa is not the main of the video, but I want to talk about Gagash on this entire video. Kokwani Chauke ntondla kona.
Vakhandli Group lowu intlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandli Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandligroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandligroup.co.za. Vakhandli Group, we are family.
Yeah. Jaimito. My baba jaro kula impacha. Tano na shiti. Oh, my name amugela ka the channel that matters. Ambukwata. Yes. Walava. Aulabi. Itazuku. Yemane amugelaka, the only channel that matters to watch. It is my birth month on the 27th of June in Tlanganza Lemberu Wanyan Namalembu Talasis. Kalen Garrison Chakunyaban, Nimakarniva Chakanyet. Please help me on the 27th of February. Let us reach 27,000 subscribers. How do it? We subscribe, we like the video. If you subscribe, like the video. You can share in whatever way, but like, comment and stuff like to push a video give hamba yamashwe. So what I found fun is Kokwani Chauke was explaining to Magadama so kuna difference between sofa and a couch, and what's worse is sofa more regardless for clubs because it's more casual. Usually not time 3+ people. Yeah, like it's for relaxing and for for entertaining guests, that's how sofas are made for. Though, there's interchangeably, like ngabula take from a couch, sama kwala couch, sama sofa, mara, what in couch, usually go some 2 to 3 people, even one, it's just for family stuff, man, like lying down, relaxing. So, usually you will prefer a sofa more than a guest, but we shouldn't criticize Kokwani Chauke that much. Kokwani Chauke emun wanjan, because I feel like I strongly believe before you buy those things you must do your research. You can't just go build a club and then they didn't check even how much. They don't have the estimated cost. You're just running. You can find people who specialize in creating those things for clubs. They can do proper so fast for him. Mara Kokwani Chauke. Iri before un sola un criticize ranga un kombara we. Ula utar ndai dosu no komero. Okay ngena ngomo kwanjo wilir. Ainge auna rona so nga soli magona. That's not for club my guy. But I don't want to dwell much in such stupidity because for me, I feel like Gagash wa one Gaza. That thing yaku. Shungwana must be hosted live for me to expose them. Sorry. Nakula couch is good. Malesha sanko kango just for jokes we can use them. So for me, do your research. Ubanan satellite angata kufuna with such kind of things. Me basat love malabela dik deko because you know isu like if you know like some people go for the beauty of a woman because like the fact that she's beautiful like, in language because ila our decorated that's for deco. Maspala went to buy a resort and then the stupidity on a high note arrived in my life to a point where and vutsang my pep. I've been honest, bagain. There is no way you can pay a deposit and then go pay the balance without getting the paperwork. Usha mathematics. Usha structure samate ngagula ila kufumana kumati la vasha sa structure saturan. Because what are you getting if you are just paying the money? That guy can even go to court. Also can go to court and say, no, malelo nickel. Or he was donating. There is no way you can buy a resort. Excuse for that. There is no way unga shava resort or shava indu property and there is no exchange. Ambi mo vanganta kuni kama kia wa kuilam famba na yo. Awangu wa kusiela yo. Ungifumelo kusena mo vangara na mapep. What if that result already all of this sold it to another person and then ataka we ukulama malafa ku nishaviselio lovata kuma phako all of the result ya ukulama la kumali nika save na usakuse uluven la male back akunika male ambo tsike kunta ngifaka xibamu utwemba ku xibamu ngana xona okay let's say ungifaka xibamu afa mali ifambini nayo vai freeze va cheka wila okay swin'wana hinkwaswo misami nika nsati wa mina right. The issue of pay angazanga shava holobye balwa ka ibhayizisi. Ye afana vole straight kumina ni tenta contribute this much abantu nika chest that's all. Because already that thing was a licensed product. I kutireni la. There was no way Gagash the lama pep. Because when you buy everything together with the license. What is the difficult about that? So ingapundiswa ngazanga sha resort lwe. Angazasharizo les anyanyukisa kuso Gagash afane switiva ku vangunikini mali ya mali munhu akuluka ndiri na mali munhu nta yini. Another stupidity is Gagash ingutiva ari traffic rale municipality wale Tshwane mari he's busy ani bribe ma police I did 3,000. The fact that you are involved in such transactions as an officer, you are breaching the oath of office. And you are also putting other people's jobs in danger. Just imagine. Kuna WhatsApp la. But also I want to end on this one. To all the people who have offended in the last 10 years until to date. Okay. I love this. I'm sorry. I think I must grab it and put it. I'm ready to live my life the best way I know how without having to disturb anyone's peace. Ishem onga disturb peace yamon wawe entertainer, but I think it's a mature statement. No more clarification on any rumors, reading or comments. My focus is making money and sharing business ideas. Concentrate on my family and the people who love me unconditionally so. I'm your man in the entertainment. Let me give you the best of the best gigs. Change is good. Nazoke. We are at 17. Zwino. So from me, my side, I think this is a very good statement from him. It shows the level of maturity we must grow up mara loko a nga swi heta nkarhi wo tala a nga a hlamusela ku blitzball a nga appearanga a nga tangi gigino or whatever swi ri baleke na mali blitzball a swi teka nkarhi mara let's say if we must give him time to understand and also to learn and also to unlearn the nonsensical things. But problem says Gagash I only loko Kokwani Chauke ye loko se a tshika swilo leswi a nga swi endlela Kokwani Chauke a swi endla Kokwani Chauke ya tshika rini ya humelela Kokwani Chauke. He must go fetch him and then bring him back to wherever he was before he met him, because whatever Kokwani Chauke is doing is what Gagash has been doing, hosting events, the way he responds on live, like loko na xilo xi endleliwa ti live, you know. So he must come fetch Kokwani Chauke first, fix that nonsense. But this is a good statement, Shem. So now cool as a business person, you can't be annoying people because if it's one they will block you for the man. But I think it's a great initiative. Mara look oskota kus endalish. Please look 2 months on wait and as endalish. And as well as endla. I'm deleting. I'm saying YouTube. I'm deleting my YouTube channel.